All right, so we got her completed. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Bill Outdoors. Today, we went to Aldi. For those of you that don't know, Aldi is like I don't know how to explain it, but they have a lot of like really cheap stuff. I think they buy like in super bulk or whatever, stuff that's getting close to date or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, it's a grocery store we go to here in the Midwest. I think they're kind of all over now. But they always have these Aldi finds, weekly Aldi finds. So we found a greenhouse, and so it's like a 2.5 by 4.5 foot greenhouse deal, 6.5 feet tall at the tip. It's like as you can see, there's like a triangle. But essentially, I'm going to be growing the tobacco in the next stages in this thing. And I'm also going to be starting some vegetables and stuff like that. But that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to go through it, assemble it, and then show you guys hopefully what that looks like. And hopefully it turns out really good. Works out the way I want it. Still got to find a spot for it in the backyard, so we're going to go do that real quick. And then, yeah, we'll figure it out from there. All right, so we're in the backyard. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put the greenhouse right here on this wooden plank. The previous homeowners store their trash cans here, I think. We store ours on the other side of the gate so we can go out the front door and get rid of stuff and don't have to go through the gate all the time to take them to the street or whatever. So I think that they're going to go right here. It'll get sun when the sun's up after like 10 o'clock, down onto it, and then all through the evening as the sun sets over yonder. So we're going to get to putting together and enjoy the sunset, smoke a cigar while we do it, and build the walk-in greenhouse. All right, it's a little humid, and as you can see, I'm sweating my butt off. But we got the back assembled. That's what this is. This is the back. That's the front with a little extra headroom, so it doesn't have a bar across. So we got the front and the back. I put the poles on. I'm just gonna set that frame on top of here, connect the poles. Scarlet and Honey are both knocked out. Look at them. But I'm just gonna set that one on top, connect the poles, stand it up. It'll fit perfectly right there. Mosquitoes out here are bad, so I'm gonna spray for bugs tomorrow. But so I'm gonna do that now, and then we'll put the cover over that does the greenhouse effect, the little tarp deal, and then yeah. All right, so we got her completed. As you can see, the front zips up, and this also zips up. And then this can be rolled up to like Velcro under here, so it'll stay open. It's got 6 shelves on the inside. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's actually really roomy. I can fit in here quite nice. I can even stand all the way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and not use the stakes that came with it. I'll show you those. So it came with stakes, so I could stake this into the ground. I'm gonna get washers and screws and screw it down into this wood so it stays more sturdy. I'm also gonna get brackets to hold the bars down as well, just to make it extra sturdy. And yeah, what do you think, Scarlett? So that's that. It's all built. Tomorrow we will get some plants put in here. So in the greenhouse, we're going to be growing tobacco, some vegetables, some other things like that. I've already started this tobacco, so you start tobacco inside. I got a video series here that you guys can check out if you guys are interested in seeing the tobacco growth through the different stages. At the end of it, I'm hoping to roll my own cigars. So we're going to be growing tobacco, but we're also going to be putting in the greenhouse some different vegetables, spice deals. So I got sweet basil, lemon drop basil, spearmint, parsley, plain or single Italian, whatever that means, cilantro, rosemary, and thyme. And I'm going to be using the same McKinsey pot pucks deal. What are they called? Seed starter pellets is what they're called, but they're little pucks. When you add water, they grow. I use these also for the tobacco when I first started them, so check that out right here. And I'm going to use these again for the different whatchamacallits. So we're going to do that. I'm going to make sure that I take note of what's what for the tobacco, and then we're going to get these planted in the little pucks real quick and transition these out to the greenhouse as well. So stay tuned. If you guys are enjoying the video, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe. Also, I'd much appreciate if you guys check out the playlist for growing tobacco. As I mentioned, we are gonna go from the planting of the seeds, starting them indoors, transferring them out to the greenhouse, and growing them outdoors. So they're gonna be huge, giant plants at the end of this, and hopefully we can roll our own cigars. So that's the goal of this. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. If you guys have any suggestions about like different things to grow in a greenhouse, let me know. Maybe I'll grow some of those things. I got room in the greenhouse. It's got 6 total shelves. So I've got 2 shelves utilized right now. So I'd definitely like to grow some other things. So just let me know in the comments below what are some things that I should try to experiment with. I'm definitely up for learning about growing different things. These herbs are super easy to grow. The tobacco is an experimental one for me because I want to roll cigars later because I do enjoy smoking cigars. So recent hobby I've gotten into. But anyway, let me know below what are some things I should experiment growing in the greenhouse, and we'll try it in future videos. Ooh. So it's kind of neat. The people that lived here before us had a little security light back here by the back gate. So I got like a little personal light for my greenhouse when I come out here in the dark. So as I mentioned, I got some washers and some screws and put through the holes where the greenhouse stakes were supposed to go in the ground or whatever. I think this will be more secure. I'm also going to get some conduit or pipe fastener strap deals to put across those to really hold it in. Right now I just got my archery target and a stone there for weight because it got windy yesterday and I didn't have anything in here yet. So now that I got these on the shelves, there'll be a little bit extra weight. I think that I'll move, got some Roundup in here as weight. Probably don't want that to get on stuff, but oh well. Probably move this down one or something, I don't know. Might just leave it the way it is and see what happens. I got these on one side, which are the herbs. On that side, you can see it's already starting to get foggy in there like a greenhouse. And then tobacco on this side. So this is the greenhouse all set up, backlit by the security light. Yeah. So essentially I'll have another shelf here. I can move that once I get those straps in. Another shelf here. So 1, 2, 3.5 shelves left. So let me know what you guys think I should grow next. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and check us out on social media at Bandit Bill Outdoors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, explore the outdoors.